about the new things back in my dreams. It's never ever what it seems. Dreaming with a boy that is black. He's animated the claymations. You know how creepy is that? That's why I see my dreams. I don't even know if God saying is putting in the dreams, just trying to control me, or I'm just thinking about it before I go to sleep. Is it Jesus trying to teach me a lesson? But whatever it is, it creeps me out. Sometimes it makes me feel the couch. Oh my God, that ruined my life. I dream about the desperate things. I dream about everything. Back in my dreams, each dream about the old things, dream about the new things. Back in my dreams, it's never ever what it seems. I dream about the boy is all black. He's animated, the clay animation. Is that creepy? How creepy is that? Happens if I die in my dreams. Wait a minute, you can't die in your dreams 'cause you can't dream anymore, or you can't dream anymore. If you die in your dreams, people say you won't be able to dream anymore, but you can. You can dream anymore. I don't know if it'll be deadly. I don't even know. You might be dreaming right now. You don't know, telling what you dream about next. What happens if I might die in my dream? Oh my God, oh my God. Beat slams in the trap house, just trying to figure out a way. I'm living my dream, having kids, having 3 kids, big house, and a wife. Oh, I know, that's what I dream about every day. You gotta hard work for it. You gotta work hard for it. Oh, I know. What happens if I die in my dreams? What happens if I die in dreams? It's never ever what it seems. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh. Oh. I draw what happens in my dreams, in my drawing journal. I draw what happens inside my dreams. I dream about a boy, all black, his claymations. Isn't that creepy? How creepy is that? Oh my gosh, I dream about the strangest things. Oh, I know. I dream about the weirdest things. I dream about the oldest things. I dream about the newest things. Sometimes I feel like I dream about this before, you know.